Hi, in this video we are going to learn about how to do communication from child to parent component using output decorator. So this is what we created it previously. Input decorator means communication from parent to child communication. So let's start with output decorator. So in real world scenario, sometimes we need to do communication from child to parent. In that case, we can use the out decorator. Let's see how it's work. So here we have two components, component A and component B, and we want to do some events from components B, and it will update the value in components A. So for that, here I am adding input control. Okay, input type button value counter. So here what I am doing, whenever on child component we click on counter button, it increase the counter value and also update that value in the parent component also. We will see how it's works. Okay, so this is from the previous input decorator. I am removing it. So for that we are going to use output decorator, and for using output decorator we need two things: event emitter and output. Okay, update count, or we can say update parent counter equals to new event emitter. Remember, for output decorator we need event emitter. Okay, this is update. Okay, so whenever user click on counter button, oops, so it will call to update method. So here I am using a variable counter. This is type of integer and its initial value is 0. So whenever user click on update, it increases its value and also pass that value to the parent. So for that I am using this dot update parent counter dot emit and the updated value. So this is what we have to do on the child component. So what I did, I created input control, and whenever user click on that input button, it increase the value and also call the output decorator and give that value, and that output decorator is subscribed by parent component. So let's see how we do it in parent. So for parent, let's remove all this. Okay, so this is the parent component containing the child component. Now on parent level, we subscribe the that output decorator and give the method name which will fire. So here I am using update counter. Okay, so here I am creating a method update counter Let's take the value from the child component. Take an example, if in parent we have a property parent counter, which is type of number, its initial value is 0. Okay, so here we can update the parent counter with the child component value. Updated counter value in parent component. Parent counter. Okay, we done. Let's see how it's work. ng serve. Okay, build is successful, and we have to open the browser, localhost port number 4200. So let's see. Okay, this is a parent controller and this is child controller containing the counter button, and this again come from the parent controller. So let's see. We are clicking on the child controller input button and giving the updated value to the parent component. Okay, something wrong. So where we did wrong things, for example, okay, update parent, update counter. Okay, here we have to use the $event. Let's see now. It's okay, counter. Oh, now it's work. So things is button is in child controller component, and the value which we display is from the parent component. So for using a child to parent communication, what we did, we use the output decorator, and it is nothing with the event emitter, and whenever that event occur, it's emit the output decorator, and that output decorator is subscribed in parent component, and whenever that component fire, it execute the parent component method also. So this is for in both cases. Remember, in both cases input or output decorator should be in the child component. Okay, hope you like this video. Thank you.